The F in f-stop doesn't stand for focus, and knowing what it really means gives you creative power some beginners miss. Have you got a minute? Let's educate, inspire, and empower your photography one 60-second photo tip at a time. A lot of people starting out hear f-stop and think it's about focus. It's not. That little f actually stands for focal length, and the f number is a fraction. f2, f5.6, f11, these are all ratios between your lens's focal length and the size of the aperture opening. Think of it like this. If you have a 100mm lens and you're shooting at f2, you're dividing 100 by 2. So your aperture is therefore 50mm wide. If you change it to f4, it becomes 25mm wide. A smaller f number gives you a wider opening, more light and a shallower depth of field. A larger f number gives you a smaller opening, less light and more depth of field. So next time you see an f number, don't think focus, think fraction. Because that simple shift in understanding gives you real creative control. It's how you shape the light, control the mood, and decide exactly what's in focus and what melts away. If you can master the f number, you're not just taking photos, you're making intentional choices. For example, if you want that nice background blur in a portrait, try the lowest f number your lens allows, but make sure your focus is spot on. That was your Focus Bite. Subscribe for more 60-second tips. And better photos aren't about gear, they're about vision. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you soon.